Hey everyone, welcome back to Wild Trail Bushcraft, but I'm Tom Archer, and today we're going to explore the wilderness. Let's get started.
Earth's frozen edge. Life obeys the law of -40 degrees. Every step demands respect. The cold tolerates no weakness. -38. Secure the hide before sunset or freeze. One frozen connection means mission failure. Check everything twice. The herd knows where to find life beneath the snow. Ghost White Hunter. Every calorie counts in this frozen world. Wolves move as one mind, silent, disciplined, lethal.
Doggie, what is it?
The blizzard's roar signals catastrophe. Whiteout begins now. Zero visibility. Stay for the shot or retreat to survive. True victory isn't conquering cold, it's respecting its laws. Astuti's strength alone holds our shot against Arctic fury. The lynx calculates risk. Survival means knowing when to quit. Storm ends. Fresh snow erases all tracks, renews the world.
We got it.
That was
Worth the frostbite.
Dawn light reminds us we are small here. Nature rules. Playback confirms it. Perfect footage through lethal turbulence. Cold refines life. The snowy owl embodies Arctic grace. Storm was just a pause. The hunt continues, relentless. Footage secured. Now we move deeper into the wild. Endless ice. No conquests here, only adaptation and respect. Phase 2 begins. Follow the animals, embrace the movement. From above, wind and cold sculpt a world without mercy. Doggie reads the snow like a map. We trust his instinct. Dragging the canoe across ice demands every ounce of strength. No room for weakness here. Sensors don't lie. They reveal hidden migration paths invisible to our tired human eyes. At -40, batteries die fast. One frozen connection means total mission failure. The aurora's silent dance reminds us, beauty thrives even in Earth's harshest realms. Doggie's vigilance is our lifeline. His loyalty burns warmer than any fire tonight. At -40, ice becomes art, crystalline sculptures forged by relentless cold. Even frozen water holds secrets. Each sample reveals the ecosystem's hidden heartbeat. The raven patrols endless ice, nature's sentinel watching over life and death's balance. Forward momentum is law here. Man and beast understand. Stop moving, start dying. In frozen isolation, companionship becomes survival. His nuzzle anchors my spirit. From above, we're specks. The wilderness dwarfs us, humble guests in its kingdom. Victory wasn't conquering cold. It was bearing silent witness to its ancient laws. Dawn's light promises renewal. The deep cold retreats, but its lessons remain etched. Our tracks fade fast. We're temporary guests, learning survival from ice's true owners. Resilience isn't defying nature, it's respecting its balance. That's the frozen wild's truth.
That's it for today's adventure. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss our next wild adventure. And see you on the next one.
Numbers on the chest, but the debt's my home. Life's a gamble, chips fall in a stack. Green track suits, the wolves on my back. Red light, green light.